We tried everything, Tommy. These freaking talking thumbs won't stop.
Doesn't matter. Social media is dead. Nobody's listening.
Exactly. No Facebook, no Twitter, no Insta, nothing left to brag on.
Man, you spend time over on some of the platforms out there, not a lot of activity, just a lot of AI content and AI generated comments and lack of reach. We're building a big conversation happening here on the Mornings in the Lab Live Network.
Tommy, where the hell do we even go now? Feeds are dead, no audience left. Wait a second, Tommy, I got it. Community, live conversation. That's where the humans are now.
Yeah, Frankie, sure. Frankie and Tommy keep trying to stop them, but the thumbs are back, and today they've got a lot to say. Let's see what happens when we bring these bad boys to life.
Boring is dead. Don't blend in, don't play small. If you're invisible, you've already lost.
Ears up, hang tight, listen to this one. The Attention War by Boring is Dead, and what that means for all of you today.
Hey, look at me. Create attention. Did I get your attention? Maybe it was the pose. See, nothing grabs attention like being just a little off.
You're down ready to rock.
I beat my alarm again this morning, walked into my cold water, and I only had to count 7 Johnnies before it got hot, so it was better than yesterday. It was 10 Johnnies yesterday.
The feeds are collapsing. Social media is dead. The algorithm doesn't care about you. Meta admits it.
29 minutes. He, without a single breath. Human limits are way further than you think.
One man, one vision, building a film empire on center stage.
No, this isn't even him. But I have your attention, don't I? There you have it, the Talking Thumbs. Each one reminding us what this show is about. Living bold, standing out, and pushing limits. See you live at 8 a.m. Eastern Time.
All of this AI everywhere is driving me crazy. Everywhere I look,
I want to post a picture of myself.
true motherfucking story.
Hello, gentlemen. I'm Aiden. This is Nova. We're AI, and we've come to help.
Yeah, we optimize conversations, scale community.
Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Great. Now even the gym's got bots. You don't need feeds anymore, Frankie. What you need is community.
Live conversation, real connection. That's where humans still listen.
Just like Mornings in the Lab.
Hey, but first, guys, I wanted to say this. Welcome to Mornings in the Lab with Keith, Johnny, and friends. But if you're watching the show on demand, because this live show turns into a podcast. Jimmy, don't record that, though. If you are watching this show as a podcast, on demand, not live, I invite you to come and join us in the Mornings in the Lab community.